So what's today's puzzle?
Right, so today's puzzle is about a game. Me and Grace were playing this game, and you can play it as well if you want, but it's not really about the game. It just uses one dice, and we roll the dice, and if it lands on a 1, 2 or a 3, like this one has, I get a point.
Yeah.
Or if it lands on a 4, 5 or a 6,
Oh, nice.
like it has, 4,
Yeah.
Grace gets a point.
Yeah.
And the prize for winning this game was £64 for some reason. Just don't know why. £64. And this prize goes to the first person to get 3 points in the game. So it's a very simple game.
Yeah. So we started rolling the dice and we got to the point where Matt was winning by 2 points to 1, and then for some reason the game got interrupted.
So rather than carry the game on, we just decided that we'd stop the game and we'd share out the prize money at that point in a fair way, based on the fact that I had 2 points and Grace had 1 point at the time.
So the question is, how do we share out this £64? And there's a good few options. So.
Right, so one option is just to say, well, neither of us have won the game, let's just share the money half and half, £32 and £32.
Or we could split it £42.67 to Matt and £21.33 to me, because that's in the ratio 2 to 1.
Because I had 2 points and
Yeah.
Grace had 1 point. Or perhaps a good idea would be for me to have £48 and Grace to have £16.
Or we could do it in a completely different way.
Yeah, so the puzzle is, mathematically, which of those ways makes the most sense? Which one is the best way? That's this week's puzzle.
And as usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.